Have you ever heard that myth online that you can use heat on the plastic trim to make it back to black? Well, today I'm about to show you that using this propane tank, actually it's MAP gas actually, that we can use this right here to turn this back to black. It's already black actually, I already did it. So let me get to the video to show you what I did. The first thing you do, guys, is light your torch. All you have to do is just start doing this. Alright guys, so as you see, it does work. You saw it in action. I was putting the fire right to the plastic, and what this actually is doing is taking the plastic oils that are naturally in it, not naturally, but they're naturally in it, and bringing out the new oils out to polish the plastic. Now after this, you can put your other stuff on it and it will bring out 10 times more and look 100% better than what it did just a couple seconds ago before you put the fire to it. Alright guys, if you found this video useful or just, helped you out a little bit or just found entertainment and just it was interesting to see and how it worked, hit this like button down below in this video just to help us out. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see done on the channel, like any type of project like this, like the tricks and tips people give out, and see if they really work. Comment down below what you want to see down below, and comment down below if it's actually helped you out too. Subscribe to the channel, do whatever it takes to follow your dreams, and don't let anyone get in your way, and I'll see you guys in the next one.